we have a 71 C20. It is the custom camper. Picked it up today with 61,000 miles. Old guy was using it as a spraying rig. Got a nice tank, little pump. Inside we have a recently rebuilt 350. It's supposed to be original. It's supposed to have original parts. It does have factory AC. Got all sorts of loose wires, and that's okay. Do have the door panels, glove box cover, missing all the vents, but she does run and drive. Alright, we'll go get this spraying rig out and then get back to you. Alright guys, so I'm under the truck here and I noticed I had a bit of an exhaust leak. And I'd say that's probably the reason why. So I got that soaking in some penetrating fluid. This side's good, a little loose. I'll go ahead, tighten that up, and we'll see what it sounds like. Well, got it sealed back up, and now it's running, sounding a lot cleaner and a lot better. The smoke's just from the penetrating oil. So we got the water tank and pump out of the bed of the truck. Pretty rust free. We got a little bit forming down in that corner, but we'll see once we get it cleaned out a little bit more. I had an old step here for getting in and out of the truck. Gonna probably cut that off. He's got this channel welded up front for his old spray rig that he had, so we're gonna go ahead and get that off there. Well, we got the seat taken out, all the floor mats and everything taken out. It's a little bit rustier than I thought it was. Those mats were just completely full of water, but this isn't bad, it can be saved. That kick panel there is definitely going to need to be welded up. Alright guys, so we're coming under the truck here, and at some point someone plumbed and welded in a couple extra saddle fuel tanks. Rerouted all the fuel lines, so we're going to pull those tanks out and get these fuel lines back to how they are supposed to be. Alright, so we got those extra saddle tanks off. Someone obviously made them and just carriage bolted them to the bed. Kind of strange, but if it works, I guess. This one has a slight leak, quite a bit of nasty water in it.